So we're in a few weeks on my mini cut. We're at 2,100 calories. So I'm gonna show you guys what meal one is. Meal one is 598 calories, 77 grams of carbs, 14 grams of fat, and 45 grams of protein. Overnight oats and egg toaster with guacamole. Meal number two, 536 calories. This is my chocolate protein brownie. Super awesome. I've added a little bit of peanut butter, add some fats in there because I love peanut butter. And this bad boy is 19 grams of fat, 36 grams of protein, 56 grams of carbs. And man, this thing is a treat. Let me show you this. Let me show you this. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Third meal. This is nothing fancy. Good old chicken breast. Got 5 ounces, about 31 grams protein. So 3 out of 5, about to be 8. Here we go. Meal 4, we have 492 calories. This is 5 ounces of chicken breast. And we have, of course, my peanut butter oatmeal bite. Super awesome. We got 46 grams of protein, 17 grams fat, 48 grams of carb. Fifth and final meal, man, 355 calories, 37 grams of protein, 7 grams of fat, and 26 grams of carbs. This is 325 grams of eggs, 30 grams of guac, 2 Rice Krispie treats. I'm gonna eat this, enjoy it. Woo, buddy, I'm telling you, this is awesome. Man, the meal plan I think is working great. 2,100 calories, here we go, let's get it.